Hello everyone, welcome to Edu Bureau. I am Bhavna Kapoor. Today's topic is India Nepal relations. India shares historic ties with Nepal, that is a buffer state between India and China. History is replete with instances of mutual trust, shared relations, and multiple points of convergence between the two nations. However, over the past some time, the relations are getting strained with the changing dynamics. The point of conflict is the disputed boundary areas of Lipu Lake, that is at the tri-junction of India, China and Nepal, Limpiadhura and Kalapani. Now let us discuss about the Sugauli Treaty and its background. The boundary delineation has a long history. Before 1816 Treaty of Sugauli, the Nepalese kingdom stretched from Satluj River in the west and Tista River in the east. Nepal lost Anglo-Nepalese war and the resultant treaty limited Nepal to its present territories. The British used the Lipu Lake Pass for trade with Tibet and China. The Survey of India map since 1870s showed the areas of Lipu Lake down to Kalapani as part of British India. Both the Rana rulers of Nepal and Nepalese kings did not object and accepted the boundary after India's independence. As a reward for the military help rendered by Jang Bahadur Rana in quelling 1857 revolt, the areas of Nepalganj and Kapilavastu were restituted to Nepal. The British did not return any part of Garhwal or Kumayu, including the Kalapani area of Nepal. India did not exist in 1816 when the Treaty of Sugauli was concluded. India inherited the boundaries of British India. How has the present border dispute cropped up? The inauguration of a road from Dharchula to Lipu Lake by India has now been followed by Nepal's charge claiming that the stretch passes through Nepalese territory. The road follows the traditional pilgrim route for the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra. Nepal deployed its armed forces at Jharu, close to Kalapani in its Sudur Paschim. The Indo-Tibetan Border Police, that is ITBP, is also located in Kalapani since it's close to India-China border. Indian forces are not there because of Nepal. The Nepalese government has raised the stakes further and made a negotiated settlement more complex by authorizing a new map extending its territory across an area that is sensitive for India's defense. Now, what the Lipu Lake territorial dispute is all about. Lipu Lake Pass is located atop the Kalapani at a tri-junction between India, China and Nepal. The Indo-Nepal border dispute dates back to 1997 when Nepal objected India and China decision to open Lipu Lake Pass for travelling to Mansarovar. In 1954, India and China signed a trade treaty declaring Lipu Lake Pass as India's gateway. In 2015, another trade treaty between India and China was signed for trading through Lipu Lake Pass, and all this was done without Nepal's consent. Now, what has been the resolution measures taken between the two nations? The Nepal India Technical Level Joint Boundary Working Group was set up in 1981 to resolve boundary issues. By 2007, it prepared 182 strip maps covering 98% of boundary areas except two disputed areas of Kalapani and Susta. Now, what is the importance of Nepal for India? Nepal shares borders with five Indian states, that is Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim, Bihar, and West Bengal. Thus, it is an important point for cultural and economic exchange. Further importance for India can also be studied from two different angles: the strategic importance for India's national security and their place in India's role perception in international politics. Nepal is right in the middle of Himalayan frontiers and along with Bhutan, it acts as northern borderland flanks and acts as a buffer state against any possible aggression from China. The rivers of Nepal feed perennial river system of India. There is also a point of cultural contact between the two. Many Hindu and Buddhist religious sites of Nepal are also important pilgrim sites for Indians. India's leadership and Indian people have been conscious of Nepalese pride and respect. Jawaharlal Nehru wrote in The Discovery of India and Glimpses of World History that Nepal is the only independent country of South Asia truly. Nepal too has responded in the past to India's needs as a friendly neighbor. Its politicians fought for India's independence. Since India's independence, the only time when foreign troops were deployed on Indian soil was 1948 to 49. Nepali soldiers under the command of Sharda Shamsher Jung Bahadur Rana came to India's northern cantonments depleted by deployments in Jammu and Kashmir and Hyderabad. The people to people relationship between India and Nepal is unmatched. Thus, there is a need to lower the temperature and diffuse the issue. Both must resolve the differences bilaterally. With this, I end my today's video. Thank you and take care.